So the big news coming in on the broadcast, Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister, has now been arrested by the Enforcement Directorate. That's the news we are getting this hour. We are, of course, getting these visuals as well, where, remember, Aam Aadmi Party workers, leaders had reached the Delhi CM's residence after the ED team had arrived for questioning. Reportedly, of course, they spoke to him, they questioned him, they took away his phones because the Aam Aadmi Party leader said they could not get in touch with him. And now we are learning that the ED has arrested Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Atishi was, of course, reacting to this news, saying that a team of lawyers who will represent Arvind Kejriwal are currently going to attempt to have an urgent hearing tonight itself. Remains to be seen whether that is something that the Chief Justice of India and the court permits, or whether hearing will only take place tomorrow. Remember, earlier in the day, the Delhi High Court had given no relief to Arvind Kejriwal. It was a setback for him in the High Court. We were learning that there was going to be a challenge to that tomorrow. But ahead of that, of course, the ED team arriving at Arvind Kejriwal's residence this evening, questioning him in the liquor case matter reportedly. And now, of course, word has come in that the Chief Minister has been arrested. He is still inside his residence as we speak. He will be perhaps taken to the ED office in some time from now. Remember, of course, various Aam Aadmi Party workers were also detained after Section 144 was imposed outside the Delhi Chief Minister's residence. We have seen also ministers like Saurabh Bhardwaj and Atishi there for the last couple of hours. The Speaker of the Assembly, Ram Nivas Goyal, was also spotted there. The Aam Aadmi Party, of course, claiming that this is political vendetta. This is being done ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. Obviously, the BJP, of course, claiming that the law is taking its own course. The ED, remember, has argued in court that Arvind Kejriwal has avoided summons. 9 summons so far have been served to him, which he's not appeared for. His lawyers, of course, telling the court that he fears arrest, which is why he has not gone before the Enforcement Directorate. But remember, no relief was given to him today by the Delhi High Court. And now, of course, the Delhi CM arrested in the Delhi liquor scam case. Big news coming in this hour. Akshit Gupta, my colleague, is joining us with the very latest. Akshit, what can you share with us? Is it now official? Have your sources confirmed? Has the ED put out a formal statement? Arvind Kejriwal under arrest?
Well, yes, the big breaking which is coming in right now is that the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been arrested in the Delhi excise case. And of course, we are just outside the residence of the Delhi Chief Minister. And of course, chaotic visuals here unfolding because a lot of protesters are here taking a foot march all outside the residence because currently Arvind Kejriwal is being taken to the Enforcement Directorate office. Remember, this is coming all after the High Court refused the protection to Arvind Kejriwal for any coercive action by the Enforcement Directorate. Of course, the big news coming in after skipping 9 summons, the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been arrested in the Delhi.
Meanwhile, a legal challenge is also being mounted. Is that correct, Akshit? A team is ready of lawyers representing Arvind Kejriwal. Are they going to try and move for an urgent hearing tonight itself, as Atishi is indicating?
Well, yes, when it comes to the legal planning, then, of course, Arvind Kejriwal has been planning legally and a team of lawyers is also ready because Arvind Kejriwal has approached the Supreme Court in the matter. So, of course, he will be taken to the ED. There also, he will be, questioned. And, of course, it will be very crucial to see as to how this pans out because, remember, this all is coming ahead of the 2024 general elections. So, of course, in that very aspect also, it becomes crucial to see as to how things pan out.